Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this platform you are seeing on your screen known as Phenom or Phenomenon. For those of you who have joined this platform or those of you who have interest in joining this platform, please, I need you to watch this video from beginning to the end because there are a lot of things which you don't know about this platform, a lot of negative things which you don't know about this platform. And in this video tutorial, I'm going to be exposing this platform hands down without any compromise. All you need to do is to watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any line in order for you to know if this platform is a legit one or a scam platform. Is this platform legit or scam? All these things I'm going to be exposing in this video. You are going to find out in this very video. But before we proceed, guys, my name is Sparking Media, as you all know, and what I do on this channel is all about business. If you're an online hustler or you have interest in making money online and you don't know how you can be getting those platforms that can pay you for real, then worry no more because Sparking Media got you covered. All you need to do for you not to miss any of my update is to hit on that subscribe button on your screen and then turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release videos on how to make money online with your smartphone or PC laptop. Now back to business. In this video tutorial, I'll be talking about this platform here you are seeing on your screen known as Phenom. I'll be talking about what is Phenom all about and how does it work, how do you make money from this platform, and how do you withdraw money from this platform. And then I'll be talking about if this platform is legit or scam, which is the main reason why I am making this video. Now let's get started. What is Phenom all about? Phenom is an online earning platform which claims that user can earn money simply by participating in social media platform, TikTok overflow and TikTok video views, Phenom coin and the rest of them, daily login and the rest of them. So that's what this platform claims to be. Is an online earning platform which claims that you can make money by participating in the activity provided by the platform. Once you participate in those activities they have provided for you, you are going to be making money. So that is what this platform claims to be. And how real and legit is this platform? This is what you are going to find out in this very video. Now, how does it work? First of all, for you to start earning on this platform known as Phenom, you are required to be a registered user. All you need to do is to go to phenonet.com. So when you go to phenonom.com, it's going to bring you to their homepage. This is how the homepage looks like, as you can see here. Now, when you come to the homepage, you are going to be needing a coupon code. Please take note, and that coupon code serves as your registration fee. You are going to click on this three dots here at the top menu. So when you click on it, you can see coupon code. Click on coupon code. You can see coupon vendors. Click on coupon vendors. When you click on coupon vendors, scroll down, you can see the list of verified Phenom vendors here on the platform. Now, when you can see, if any of these people you see here, these are the verified people you can charge to get your coupon code. Now, is this coupon code free? No, it is not free. Please take note, it is not free. And how much it is? It is 8,000 naira. And now that brings me to any structure of this platform known as Phenomena. Now, what is the earning structure? Please listen to me very attentively. The registration fee or the money you are going to use in purchasing the coupon code is 8,000 naira. Please do take note of that. And then you have reward rush from the platform. You have reward rush from the platform. You are going to be earning 1,000 naira, and then they have overflow. You can earn 200 naira to 1,000 naira, and they also have daily login. For every day you log in on the platform, you are going to be earning 500 naira, and they also have the TikTok challenge. If you make TikTok video and you're able to hit 1k views, you are going to be rewarded with 1,500 naira for every TikTok video you make. And this platform also claims that they monetize social media platforms. They claim that those videos you are monetizing, that you are earning money for making TikTok videos, Instagram, and the rest of them. For those of you who have registered, if you go to your dashboard, you will see those things they have made available for you. And this platform also claims that you can get loan. However, that is not the end of how the earning structure is. Now, another way you can earn on this platform is through referral program. In fact, this is the main part of this business. For you to earn on this platform, you need to refer somebody. Okay, I'll break it down step by step. Okay, now for anybody you introduce or you refer to this platform, you are going to be rewarded with sum of 7,100 naira. And that is not the end of it. That's not the end of it though. You're also going to get an indirect referral of 200 naira. For example, let's say I refer you now and you refer another person, that person you refer, I'm also going to get commission from that person, which is my indirect referrer. Let's say I referred you, you're my direct referrer, and then you refer another person, that person now is my indirect referrer. And it doesn't end there. And that person you refer another person, I'm also going to be getting 100 naira, which means if you refer like one person and the person refer one person and the person refer another person, that is, they have direct referral, indirect referral level 1 and indirect referral level 2. That's how you continue earning as your downline continue to grow. You earn with the referral unlimitedly. You can earn unlimited through referral program. Okay, like I said, you can see when you do Phenom task, you see that the money you earn there is not much, the overflow, and you also participate in quiz, you also earn 2,000 naira and above when you participate in Phenom quiz. Okay, now that is not the end of it. Oh, take note, you also earn when you participate in their task. I've already explained that. Now, how do you withdraw money from this platform? It is very, very simple. The withdrawal is every Monday, Wednesday, and then Friday, I think, yes. And the minimum withdrawal is 14,000 naira. 14,000 naira is the minimum withdrawal. I have explained everything you need to know about this platform, how it works, how you earn, the earning structure, and every other thing you need to know. I've explained all that. Now, back to main business. The reason why I'm making this video is to reveal to you guys if this platform is legit or scam. That's the main reason I am making this video. Is Phenom legit or scam? That's the question. Phenom is capital scam. I said what? Capital scam. Now you'll be asking why. Why do I say it's a scam? Before I proceed to tell you guys the reason why I say that this platform is a scam, how many of you knows about Anchor? For those of you who were scammed by Anchor last year, in fact, someone messaged me yesterday on WhatsApp and was telling me she had 9k on Anchor. How will she withdraw it? I say, forget it, it's a scam. So, how many of you remember benefits? How many of you remember benefits? If you remember these two platforms trended last year. And how many of you remember Alicia? How many of you remembered Alicia? If you remember Alicia or you were scammed by any of this platform I have just mentioned now, then know that they are not other people than these people known as Phenom. They are all the same. Please do take note of that. This is what these people do. They will create one platform, they will use it to scam another people, and then they will create another one, they will use it to scam another people. That is what they are doing. They are used to change the names. Now, let me expose these people to you hands down. Let me tell you how they split your money. You see that money you're using to register, which is 8,000 naira. Now, when you register with 8,000 naira, in fact, let me just summarize this platform. This platform is a Ponzi scheme, any platform. That's the best word to use for it. Why do I say it's a Ponzi scheme, any platform? Because they rob it out to PayPal. Let's say the money you're using to register, that people that is registering you, that money you're using to buy that coupon code, that person that referring you, they are going to remove 7,100 naira and pay to that person. Now, out of 7,000, out of 8,000, how much is remaining? We are left with what? 900 naira. Now, out of that 900 naira, they are still going to remove 300 naira. They use 200 naira out of that 200 naira to pay to the upliner of that person that introduced you, and then they will also use 100 naira to pay to the person, to the upliner, to the first upliner of the first person that referred you. You see how your money are being splitted. At the end of the day, the platform is left with how much? 900 naira minus 300 naira. How much is remaining? That's about 600 naira or thereabout. The platform is left with 600 naira. You see? So at the end of the day, the platform, they are realizing 600 naira after they might have finished splitting your money. And not only that, they are still going to remove 100 naira or 200 naira and pay to their coupon vendors, because each code those vendors sell, they earn 100 naira or 200 naira. At the end of the day, the platform will be left with 500 naira. You see it? That is the reason why you see that this platform is more of referring. Okay? So if you cannot refer, there is nothing for you. If you watch my video on Anchor or you watch my video on benefits, I said it, and everything I said about those platforms, about these two platforms, came to pass. And that is the same thing. I'm still repeating it on this one known as Phenom or Phenomena, whatever you guys call it. However, I am not a financial advisor. I am not doing this video for you to join or for you not to join. I am not a financial advisor. It is your decision. What I am doing here is review. This is the honest review. Everything you need to know about the platform. You need to know the in and out of the platform, the overview, the insight. So before you take your decision, I cannot tell you to join and I cannot tell you not to join, but my own advice to you is to make sure you can refer before you join this platform. And those people who are introducing you to this platform, they'll be showing you payment proof. Now let me show you something. Click on this three dots. You can see this place here, top earners. Now you can see top earners. You see some people have made 6,000. This one has made 6.9 million naira. This one 5.7 million naira. This one 4.7 million naira. This one 4 million naira. This one 4 million naira. This one 3 million naira. Now the question you should be asking yourself. Is this their daily login or their TikTok video that is earning them this kind of amount? No. The answer is capital no. It is not. Please do take note of that. It is not. Now they are using you to cash out, because this is what we call referral. This is what we call a Ponzi scheme. The platform scam you to pay those that introduce you, because this platform you are seeing here does not have any means of generating revenue for the user, rather than using the person you introduce money to pay you. This is what we call Ponzi scheme any platform. I have explained that countless times in this channel. If you are my subscriber and you're watching this video, you know this is not the first time I'm explaining something like this. And I've already summarized something like anytime they're asking you to buy coupon code, any site that requires you to buy coupon code, that platform is a scam. Please take note of that. Any platform that requires you to buy coupon code before you can earn is a what? Scam. That is what we call scam. Take note, because the platform does not have any means of generating revenue for the user, rather than using those people you introduce money to settle you. You see, some of you will be earning. Now you see these people have earned millions of naira, 6 million, 6.9 million, 4 million, 2 million, 3 million, and they'll be showing you payment proof. Now the question you should be asking yourself, I'm saying this repeatedly now, is that the daily login or the video activity earning, quiz and overflow and the rest of them the platform claims? No, it is not. And now those people that are introducing you, they'll be saying they want to do this scan for you. Instead of 8,000 naira, they will say you should bring 7,000 or you should bring 7,500. They will want to do this scan for you. You see, they are using your head. They will never tell you the truth. They will go and tell you, they will be telling you that you will cash out, you will cash out. Referral is optional. My brother, my sister, referral is not optional. I have been into this online business for a very long time now, and I can confidently tell you something that is legit and something that is scam, because once I see anything that is scam, I know it, and once I see something that is legit, I know it. You see this one known as Phenom is capital scam. I repeat, capital scam. However, I am not stopping you from joining. It is your own interest and your own decision. If you want to join, you can join. If you don't want to join, you can leave it. But it is good you know the truth. The truth about this platform is that they are scam. And if you have already joined this platform, doing the daily activities, logging in every day, thinking you are going to cash out, my brother, my sister, I'm telling you the gospel truth. There is nothing for you. You can't cash out if you can't refer. And you can see the minimum withdrawal is what? 14,000 naira, which means if you refer 2 people, you cash out. That is it. Each person you refer is 7,100 naira. Another person you refer is 7,100 naira, which is 40,200 naira. You see? So with 2 people, you can cash out. And if you can't refer, you can't cash out. That's the truth of the matter. You refer, you cash out. You don't refer, you don't cash out. That is it. So I think I have said enough in this video. I am done. So it is left for you guys to decide whether to join or not. However, for those of you introducing people to this platform and you are not telling them the truth, you are using them to cash out, God is watching you all. And I want you to know that you are agent of scammer. You are their agent, because this platform uses you to scam people. You are not telling them the truth. Instead, you lock up your mind, you lock up your heart, you lock up your conscience, you use people to cash out. God is watching you all. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have another question, the comment section is widely open for you, and you can also check some of my recent videos. I have posted a lot of legit updates on this channel, so it's left for you to go ahead and check some of my recent videos, do any of those updates you can do, and cash out. Good luck. And remember, I said I am not a financial advisor. That is my own disclaimer. If you have interest to join the platform, you can join, but make sure you can refer. If you cannot refer, bear it in mind that you can't cash out. Take note of that. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Sparking Media, aka the Legit Boss.